Good day, dear viewers. Now our team will share with you a review of 1xBet. We will tell you about the 1xBet office and how to enter the XLike22 promo code for the current year 2022, which will give you 130% on your deposit. You can find the link and promo code in the pinned comment below the video. Unlike many bookmaker companies, 1xBet operates legally. The bookmaker 1xBet operates on the basis of the obtained license of the island of Curaçao. Therefore, it is legal in many countries. 1xBet bookmaker pays special attention to the design and functionality of the official website. Each section is designed to make it clear how and what to do next. 1xBet is one of the largest international bookmakers. The company was founded in Moscow in 2007. At this moment, the bookmaker is used by more than 400,000 regular visitors. The company is focused at players from the CIS countries, but the site has been translated and adapted into more than 50 languages. In 2018, the bookmaker won the SBC Awards in London in the Rising Star of Sports Betting Innovation category. The main benefits are high odds, a large selection of sports and other events, and a wide range of bonuses. On the site, in addition to sports betting, you will find casinos, games, including card games and virtual sports. When it comes to partners, 1xBet relies on the largest sports brands: FC Barcelona, Serie A, La Liga, and the company is also a sponsor of the African Cup of Nations. The site provides over 30 sports, as well as betting on politics, show business, dog racing, and cockfighting. The choice of competitions is varied. In the football section, you will find matches not only of the major leagues, tournaments in more than 30 countries, and major international championships are presented. There are also esports disciplines: Counter-Strike, League of Legends, Dota 2, StarCraft 2, Rainbow Six, and Call of Duty. The bookmaker accepts bets on lotteries and offers participation in 7 types of sweepstakes. The list of live bets is one of the widest on the market. The bookmaker lets you to combine the live bet and before the start of the match in one coupon. On an unpopular baseball game during the event, this bookmaker offers more than 10 options for betting. On an unpopular football match, from 30. The average margin in live bets is 4–5%. The first, in one click, you specify the country. You must be sure to select your currency, because the bonus is converted into your amount, and enter the promo code XLike22, which you already see on the screen. Select you need a sports or casino bonus, and click the register button. If we go to the second option, registration by phone, there you will need to enter your phone number. You also need to choose a currency, enter the promo code XLike22, and then you need a code that will be sent to your phone number. Pay attention to the bonus, and that's all, you're registered. Let's move on to the option of registering by mail. It is a little more complicated and longer, but we recommend it. You enter your country, region, city in which you live, and then only select the currency. Then enter your mail, phone number, your first and last name, and most importantly, the password, as well as the required item, the XLike22 promo code that you now see on the screen, as well as your constant choice. You need a casino or sports bonus. And we still have the last option. This is the possibility of registration via social networks or messengers. Here, everything is quite simple. You choose your version of the network and just wait for all your data to come up, after which you simply select the currency and your country. After, you are free to choose again. Your bonus will go to the casino or sports. The bonus is automatically credited after refilling of the deposit. The user has the right to receive only one bonus. The bonus is credited automatically after the first account refilling, if you have filled in all the fields in your personal data in your personal account and your phone number is activated. This is a prerequisite. We thank you for watching our video. Write a review in the comments whether you managed to get bonuses or not. And if it didn't work out, write what went wrong. We will definitely insert your comment into the next video. Wish you big wins and quick payouts.